Selectively chosen Alexandrite and Cuteras pioneered Andiag, coupled with the superior sapphire, the cold sapphire skin cooling with a thin layer of gel will effectively suppress plume during laser hair removal, obviating the need for smoke evacuators, ventilation systems, and respirators during the laser hair removal treatment, and by that, making the treatment safe for both patients and operators.
So I will start first. How do you feel this side?
Feels okay.
Do you feel more this side compared with
No,
this
not the
side?
same.
How the treatment was.
It wasn't that bad. Feels like a little sting for a couple of seconds and then it goes away. Ella's really great. She's really gentle with it and lets me tell her if I'm having problems or if it hurts too much, then she'll stop.
Perfect. Thank you.
Great experience. Thank